In December 2021, the American firearms company Savage showcased its latest development, the Model 110 pistol, known as the Savage 110 PCS. According to the company, it actually belongs to the 110 bolt-action rifle family, and the 110 PCS is essentially a shortened version of the 110 Elite Precision high-precision bolt-action sniper rifle. The 110 Elite Precision is a highly precise competition-grade sniper rifle that features a bolt-action operation and magazine-fed ammunition. It is available in a total of 7 caliber versions, including 6mm and 6.5mm, with an empty gun price ranging from $2,499 to $2,799. The 110 PCS features an aluminum alloy integrated body with a carbon steel barrel, shortened barrel and handguard, and no stock. From the appearance, the pistol's grip is the same as the 110 Elite Precision, and it also uses a detachable 10-round magazine. However, the pistol only offers 5 caliber versions. Taking the 6.5mm caliber 110 PCS pistol as an example, it weighs 2.55 kilograms, with a length of 54.61mm and a barrel length of 26.67mm. The threaded muzzle allows for the installation of accessories such as flash hiders or suppressors. The trigger force can be adjusted between 2.5 pounds and 6 pounds, and its magazine well is the same as the 110 Elite Precision, allowing for interchangeability of magazines. The bolt handle of the pistol is located on the left side of the body, allowing the shooter to maintain a right-handed grip while using the left hand to eject and load rounds. Although it is defined as a pistol, it fires rifle rounds, so it is best to hold the short handguard while shooting, or place the pistol on a tripod or other support. According to Savage, the effective range of the pistol exceeds 500 yards, 457 meters, and there is a Picatinny rail on the top of the body for mounting optical sights. The suggested retail price of the 110 PCS is $999, which is relatively affordable for a high-precision sniper pistol. Additionally, there is a slot at the rear of the body that allows for the installation of a stock to convert it into a rifle. Its effective shooting distance and competition-grade precision also mean that it can meet the needs of most hunting requirements. Its smooth operation has earned it praise, and left-handed shooters can purchase a specially designed left-handed version by moving the bolt handle to the right side. In recent years, there has been a growing trend of these powerful and highly precise pistols. This seems to be a trend driven by considerations of different countries' firearms laws and regulations, as well as actual market demand. However, this concept is somewhat similar to a carbine rifle.